In this video, I am going to show you how much YouTube TV costs if you're subscribing just for sports and what features you'll get. YouTube TV's base plan, which starts at $72.99 per month, includes access to many popular sports channels like ESPN, ESPN2, ESPNU, Fox Sports, NBCSN, and regional sports networks, RSNs, depending on your location. This makes it a great option for sports fans who want live coverage of games, tournaments, and events. If you're looking for even more sports content, YouTube TV offers the Sports Plus add-on for an additional $16 per month. This package includes premium sports options like NBA League Pass, MLB.tv, and NHL.tv, giving you access to out-of-market games and exclusive sports coverage. With the Sports Plus add-on, your total monthly cost would be $88.99. Keep in mind that while YouTube TV provides a robust sports lineup, some major events or leagues might still require separate subscriptions, such as UFC Fight Pass or certain international sports packages. Additionally, YouTube TV's Cloud DVR feature lets you record games to watch later, and the multi-view feature allows you to stream up to 4 live events simultaneously, perfect for keeping up with multiple games at once. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how much YouTube TV costs for sports, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.